This laptop has more life than your plant. So which one will survive 8 hours of Netflix, your boss calling an anapo on top? The MacBook Air M4 is already at 10%. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 has 80% left. One quits like you on Monday, the other works like it never heard of sleep. Test 1. Battery vs. your Netflix addiction. The MacBook Air M4 finished the show, and so did. 3 episodes later, the MacBook Air M4 powered off. Glitch comedy effect with vibrating text. Please, goodnight test tool. Survives your boss plus your nap. Still working. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 works while you sleep. If your laptop dies when you nap, it's your soulmate. And that's sad. Plot twist. The ASUS ROG has zombie mode. It renders while you drool. The MacBook Air M4 renders in PJs. What's next? Comment tablet. So which one's gonna win? The ultra short comic ding dong ding. What's next? Comment, subscribe,